Have you got a plan? Have you got an idea of what you want to do and how you want to make it happen? Do you? Got any suggestions? Have you noticed that time where you've got a plan, you want to make it happen, and all of a sudden people have the most bizarre ideas of solving it for you? Not even bothering what's going on and asking you what's happening, but they can solve it. And what kind of reply do you give to them? Well, here's a good one. MICAH 7 verse 7, ground zero for today, where we trust in God for a word from within the word. So they're coming at you. They're going, oh, you should try this. What about that? Or just give it up. Just walk away. You know, what's the point? Or make a plan. Do this. Do action, 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 action. Take it into your own hands. What you waiting for? Well, here's your reply. But as for me, I will look to the Lord, and confident in him, which is the resolve, it's the decision I've made, I will keep watch. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I will wait with hope and expectancy for the God of my salvation. My God will hear me. I get a picture of this bay. If you go to Fishhoek in Cape Town, South Africa, there's this bay that does this when it goes out. And I'm standing on the beach and I'm looking out and I see there's this boat coming. And people are saying, come on, swim out to it. You're a strong swimmer, take a boat. And I go, whoa, hold on. And I see the boat coming around the corner and they say, it's there. Come on, get your things ready. It's like, no, I'm waiting. I'm confident. When he comes and he gets here, that's when I'm going to move. That's when I'm going to put things into place. I'm going to go to him. I'm going to submit my plans to him, and he will make my thoughts according to his will. And my plans will be established. I will not move until I see my God. Because I know he will hear me. And I know he will rescue me. I will wait with hope and expectancy, knowing that whatever is happening, the outcome will be for our benefit. Don't give up. Don't walk away. Stay faithful. For a faithful man shall abound in much blessing. Till next time.